Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change the pollen filter in a Ford Focus Mk3. First, ensure you have a new pollen filter and a T20 Torx screwdriver ready. Park your car safely on a level surface and turn off the engine. The pollen filter is conveniently located behind the glove box on the passenger side, so let's get started. Now open the glove box all the way. You'll see 3 T20 Torx screws along the top edge. Carefully remove these screws. Once they are out, gently pull the entire glove box assembly forward and down. This will give you clear access to the pollen filter housing, which is usually a black plastic box. With the housing exposed, you'll see a cover secured by 2 clips. Unclip these, then carefully slide the old pollen filter straight out. Notice its condition. It's likely quite dirty. Now, take your new filter and ensure the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the car. Slide it smoothly into the housing. Almost done. Now, reattach the filter housing cover, making sure the 2 clips snap firmly into place. Carefully align the glove box assembly back into its original position. Finally, reinsert and tighten the 3 T20 Torx screws to secure the glove box. Close it up, and you've successfully changed your Ford Focus pollen filter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.